my channel. This is the very first video of 2018 and that is just insane. The year went by so fast and 2017 was just one of those years where it was great and also just had lots of lows, but at the same time it was a great year. I don't know if it makes sense, but this is going to be the very first makeup tutorial for this year. It's been requested for me to do a cool tone makeup look and also using all mattes on the eyes. I couldn't resist from going into my highlighter because that's just my favorite thing to do. But if you guys wanted to create a whole completely matte look, you can go ahead and just substitute the highlight, which I did add, and it's my favorite thing to do. And since it was highly requested for me to do a video like this, I decided to make it the first video of this year. If you guys have any video recommendations for this month, then go ahead and leave them down below. My goal right now is to at least upload 2 times a week, hopefully do 3, and I will be starting that hopefully next month because I just need to get my whole schedule situated and stuff like that. But Happy New Year and welcome to all the new subscribers. Stick around by subscribing to my channel and also following all my social media. If you guys didn't keep up with my vlogs, then you guys go ahead and jump over and I will have a couple of links if you would like to check them out and get to know me a little bit more. I can't wait to see what this year has in store. I'm very excited and let's just go ahead and get started with the video. I'm going to start off by applying the Sugar by Fresh lip balm, which really hydrates my lips, especially right now during the winter. And then I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D concealer in the shade Light 16, and this will act as my primer and will also cover the discoloration on our lids. And I'm actually going to skip out on applying any white powder on my concealer since I've been testing out a new technique. And you know what, I'm actually kind of loving it. Daisy Marquez brought it up and I decided to try it out and I actually like it. Then I'll be taking this taupey brown shade. I don't know why it kind of appeared almost warm on my eyes. It could have been the shadow that I had on it before, but I tried to remove it as much as possible. This is going to act as my transition shade into the crease. And I will be applying this with my Morphe M573, I believe, which is a very nice blending brush. And I'm going to gradually build up this color. And with another clean blending brush, I'm going to be cleaning through the crease just to make sure everything is nicely blended. And this is from a Morphe collection rose gold bundle that they came out with, which was amazing and I just can't find it online. And by the way, I am using the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette, which is just full of amazing colors and I'm sure you guys have seen it on my channel before. I'll be taking this dark brown and sweeping this into my crease, and this is going to act as a great transition to blend in the shade we will be applying on our eyelids into our crease. Then I'll be taking this cool tone brown and applying this all over my eyelid. I know applying matte shadows all over the lid could be a little bit tricky, so I did use this almost dense flat brush that's kind of like a flat blending brush, which just works amazing with matte shades to apply them onto the lid and really buff it out into the crease as well. And it is from that collection that Morphe came out with, and for some reason my eyes were just watery, so let's just bear with that. With the rest of the product on the brush, I'm just taking it into my crease and slightly blending it. And with a MAC 217 brush, I will be taking both of the shades that I used on the crease and on my eyelid just to make sure the crease is well defined and blended. It's been a hot minute since I've used liquid eyeliner, yet alone done a wing liner. So that's exactly what I will be doing today. I kind of wanted to bring a little bit of drama into this look, something different, something I haven't done in a long time. So I am using my NYC liquid eyeliner, which unfortunately is discontinued, but I've heard that the Wet n Wild one is just another great dupe. And typically I need to get super close up to my mirror to see what I'm doing. I'll then be curling my eyelashes and coating them with mascara using the CoverGirl Total Lash Mascara, and I'm just going to prep them for falsies. And you know this look isn't complete if I don't use some eyelashes, and I am using the Creme Shop lashes in the style 747 medium. I will be double stacking these because they are kind of thin, but I love the drama it brings to my eyes. It just makes them look very awake, and you can still see the eyeliner and the shadow. Moving on to the face, I'll be using the Wet n Wild matte primer, which is actually very great. It doesn't feel drying to my skin, and it makes my makeup last all day. It's almost very hydrating as well, so I'm loving it so far. And this is actually another new thing in this video, and it is the Healthy Elixir from CoverGirl. I've been dying to try this out. Then I saw that I had SPF, and I was kind of turned off by that because it typically breaks me out, but I'm still testing it out and seeing if maybe this one doesn't. But the coverage and how lightweight it feels has me head over heels for this foundation, and I love how it is medium to full coverage, and you can build up this foundation. And as you guys can see, it really covered that discoloration that I have going on. I have been breaking out like crazy recently, and I no idea why, but I'm getting it under control. For concealer, I'll be using my Kat Von D concealer and applying this with my Real Techniques brush. And I will be buffing this in with the same foundation brush. I just really like the way that this just marinates into my skin all together, and it makes it look very seamlessly. And to set the concealed areas, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. To contour my face, I'll be using my IT Cosmetics face sculpting duo. I'm not exactly sure what this is called, but I'll look for it down below. So I will be taking the contour shade and applying this underneath my cheekbones, on the sides of my forehead, and also on my jawline. I love how hydrating this powder is, and it doesn't accentuate any pores or any acne that I have going on my cheeks, and it just applies very smoothly. So I've kind of been on this all over again. And then for blush, I'll be taking my 10 color blush palette from BEIGE Cosmetics and taking this brownish shade, applying this red on my cheeks to give me some color. Didn't want too much going on the face, just a little bit bronzy. And with the same contour shade, I'll be contouring the sides of my nose with my IT Cosmetics brush as well. Moving on to the eyebrows, I will be using my WINKY Luxe eyebrow pencil, which I've been loving to create almost these feathery brows.
It's funny because me and Justin have full shield and full.
Bye. Bye. Say bye.
We had a little special guest in the middle of me doing my brows. So as soon as I kind of see that everything is polished in the way I like it, I do like to clean underneath my brows using a little bit of concealer, and you guys can see the difference that it does to the brows. It just lifts them and just makes them look so much better. And then using my Sigma, this is actually a mascara, it's a brown mascara, I will be applying this to my lashes, and honestly this works so much better than eyebrow primer, and I just love the way it looks. Then going back with the same shades we used on our eyelids, I will be taking this to the bottom, and I will be applying black eyeshadow to my waterline just to give it more depth to the eyes. And I did blend everything out using a Sigma blending brush, which I will have down below. And to finish off the eyes, I will be taking my mascara and applying some to my bottom lashes. Moving on to the best part of this look, which is highlighting. I am using my OFRA Cosmetics Beverly Hills highlight. Let's just take a moment. this highlighter, I'm living for it. But I will be applying this on top of my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead, and also on the tips of my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. Overall, I just feel like this gives your face such a natural glow, and OFRA Cosmetics honestly has the best highlighters, and I am living for them. And I will be taking some of this champagne color to the inner corners of my eyes and blending everything out with my Real Techniques blending brush. By the way, who else loves Jack in the Box iced coffee as much as I do, because it's just the best thing ever. Then taking this brown lip liner. I believe this is from the brand Bloom. I will be outlining my lips and also filling them in. I kind of wanted to stick with a nude brownish color to go really nice with the eyes. Then I'll be taking my lip gloss from Maybelline in the shade in the Nude, which is just such a gorgeous lip gloss on its own, and also with nice lipsticks underneath, and it just kind of brings the whole look together. Much for watching, and as always, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Stick around by subscribing. Leave me your comments down below letting me know what else you guys would like to see, whether it's fun videos, more vlogs, or just anything you guys would like to see on this channel, because I have fun filming. Follow all my social media, my Snapchat, my Instagram. I'm on Snapchat a little bit more often, and you guys get to see a little bit of behind the scenes of what goes on and what I am up to. So let's just go ahead and get going. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.